Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. Short story number 6, The Elephant and the Ant. Once upon a time in a forest there lived an ant and an elephant. They were unlikely friends, but they shared a strong bond. One sunny day, the ant found a juicy apple that had fallen from a tree. It was too big for him to carry. Worried, he called out to the elephant for help. "I can't move the apple, please help me." The elephant, with her kind heart, rushed to help the ant. She gently picked up the apple with her trunk and placed it before the ant. The ant's eyes lit up. He thanked the elephant for her help and offered to share the apple. They sat together, munching and crunching on the yummy fruit and talking about their adventures. Their friendship inspired the other animals in the forest. They realized that size and appearance didn't matter when it came to true friendship. From that day forward, everyone learned to appreciate and respect each other's unique qualities. The ant and the elephant remained best friends forever. Thank you friends for watching. Hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and bye for now.